Ayy, yo, try me, my fight fist, fuck all sirens, heavy fat, die, pop, molly, mic, I got clicks of white, ice in my bitch, right, nice, and I do fight, dice, on my dick, like a...
What's up guys, Sir Sneaks a lot here again. Today I'm bringing y'all an actual fashion video. I got my Yeezy Boost 500s in the mail today, and I wanted to show y'all this. So this will be an unboxing. As y'all can see, it's still closed right here. Still closed. So I'm gonna open that up for you. Please enjoy. Y'all can see the box here. Open it up. Trust the scissors. Y'all can see it, 500 right there, 500. Let's pull it out. Size 11, that's my size right there. 500's right there, size 11. Let me show y'all all the sides. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Adidas sign on the bottom. Alright. Paper. Get them out of the box right here. Ooh, them hoes are clean. Them hoes are clean. Ooh, them hoes are soft too. Fresh. What y'all think? What y'all think? These are fresh. Ooh, I like them. Size 11 right there. I kind of wish they had Adidas sign like right here. Or right here, but I mean, they're pretty recognizable already, so let's get those. There it is, the 500. They looked a little more white online, but they're pretty gray. But as you can see, I wore all gray to cope the fit already, so with my Adidas jacket on, my gray Weird Walter shirt, and just some gray sweats. My grout fit. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of the shoe. Here I go. Take out the way. There it is. I'll show y'all the on-foot view now. Here's the on-foot version. So let me know what y'all think. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. They were about 200. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not yet. They didn't sell out too quick on Adidas.com, so the resale value is not very high right now. But I'm gonna wait and see, test the market for a couple days or so, and I'll get back to y'all on that, letting y'all know. If any of y'all want to purchase something, hit me up. Just throw some numbers at me. I haven't even looked at what they are right now. So, but I hope y'all enjoyed. Sir Sneaks out.